How to save with Uber promo codes or student offer. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will see how to save with Uber promo codes and student offers, including what works and what does not. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you already have a promo code that you can use in Uber, so to apply the promo codes, what you have to do is open up Uber application, tap in the account at the bottom right corner. Once this kind of interface, head over to wallet. Under wallet, if you scroll all the way to the end, there's an options or section as promotions. If you tap on add promo code, that will ask you to enter a promo code. All you have to do is enter your promo code exactly, then tap on add at the bottom. After you do that, your most recent valid promo code will automatically apply to your next eligible ride. So if you want to check that, you have to head over to your trip receipt under your trips. If you want to head over to that, make a right, head over to receipt under your right. There under the receipt, you must see the discount reflected. So that's the way to use promo code. And if you're wondering how you can get promo codes, you can share your code from a free ride and earn ride credits when your friends sign up. That is basically the referral program. Uber will also send some personalized codes during holidays, events, or inactivity. So make sure that you frequently check email, SMS, or any other Uber notifications. Also, Uber occasionally launches promo codes via social channels or the partnerships. Make sure that you also check their social media and events. And if you're wondering about the student offers, Uber does not currently offer the dedicated student discount. However, in some reasons, the Uber One student subscription tier may offer perks like free trial lasting several weeks, no delivery fees, or credit rights. So you could also check that. So that's how you can save Uber with promo codes or student discount. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.